Hello everyone, welcome to our G Square Fashion Academy online sewing tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make an exaggerated structured built-up neckline bolero jacket. Okay, so the measurements you need is your jacket length, your bust point, and your shoulder line. The first thing to do is to divide your shoulder measurement by 2. Mine is 15 inches divided by 2 gives us 7.5. Then after getting that, the next thing to do now is to get your neck wideness. I'll measure 2.5 inches since we are making a built-up neckline and I want it very close to my neck. So the neck circumference will be 2.5 inches. On the shoulder tip, I'll mark it down to my bust point as you can see in the video. Then you find the midpoint between your neck circumference and your shoulder tip. Get the center. Mark it down to your bust point. The next thing to do now is to get my neck height 2.5 inches. Get the wideness of the bolero jacket. It's a cut together sleeve, so I'll be using 15 inches. This is actually by choice. Then from that point, mark up 3 inches. You can actually go higher than that, depends on how pointy you want the tip to be. Then connect from your neckline to your mid shoulder to get your new shoulder line. Okay, and after that, get the wideness on your bust point, get the wideness on your jacket line as well, and mark it down. Note that this 15 inches is by choice. Then from the mid shoulder, connect to the tip of the sleeve again. Then from the tip of the sleeve, connect it using your curve ruler to your bust points. On your bust points, go up by 2.5 inches, then go in by 1.5 from the center front. Then connect from your jacket length to that mark. Then on your neckline, as you can see in the video, use your curve ruler to connect it to the point you marked now. That is 2.5 inches above your bust point. Connect it perfectly. We want the center front to be opened. Label your front pattern and carefully cut it out. So you can open that center front according to how you want. So instead of marking 1.5 where I marked, you can mark 1/2 inch. It's your choice. Okay, so let's go to the back. You repeat the same procedure for the back pattern as well. Get your neckline and all that. The same procedure we did for the front is what we'll do for the back as well. The only difference is that the center back will be closed, unlike the center front. Go up by 2 inches from the center back, connect the jacket length with your curve ruler, then label the pattern correctly, then carefully cut it out. So you can see the way I cut out the neck part. Okay, cut the sides. So once I'm done cutting, I'll show you how the outcome. Okay, here is the final outcome. We can carefully transfer our pattern to the fabric. So add 1/2 inch allowance to all the patterns, both the front and the back. So you fuse your collar stay on the lining. Make sure you make use of the strong collar stay. Okay, the next thing to do is to take the main fabric to our sewing machine. You join using the 1/2 inch seam allowance. I'll repeat the same procedure for the other side as well. I'm done sewing the lining as well, and make sure you trim it down very well. I mean the seam allowance. After then, turn it out and use the lining to turn the main fabric. Use your 1/2 inch seam allowance to turn. Please, as you are turning, make sure you don't turn the hemline completely. Okay, add your hemming gum as you sew. Once you are almost done turning the hemline, remove the threads and turn out your jacket. Okay, so leave a space at the side, then pass through the space you left at the side to turn the hemline completely. So once you are done turning the hemline, you can go to your ironing table and you use hemming gum to close the side seam that was left opened. You can see here is the side seam. So let's go to the ironing table. So you press it and also close that side seam with your hemming gum. And here is the final outcome of our bolero jacket. It's looking so beautiful already, and I hope you try it out. I hope you love it as much as I love it as well. I can't wait to see your practical. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.